Hey guys, back out, and I'm back at the quarry where I got bitten to death. I got eaten alive by the midges, so yeah, I covered myself in bug spray. So let's see if it works. Roll the credits! Yeah, just taking shelter in a minute. The heavens have just opened up. These dogs. It's just started to pass now. Thank God. Who needs the rain, eh? Don't they know I'm going camping? Yeah. She's out with me again. Just trying to grind the nails down a bit. Yeah, I brought the Naturehike Cloudpeak 2 out with me. Going to give that a few goes now, get used to it, and I want to see how she fits in it as well. So yeah, see how she gets on. That's why I'm trying to grind the nails down. I don't want to go into the floor of my tent. Yeah, a friend of mine makes his own candles, and he does them as bug repellent as well. So he's given me a couple to try. I've only brought one. And where does you buy them from the shop? He says there's only like 5 ml of this stuff that's in it. I can't remember the name now, but it's the actual bug repellent stuff. Whereas he's about 35 ml. So he reckons it'll keep dinosaurs away. So that's me pitched up. Whew. Got my kettle on, because you all know me. No matter what the weather's doing, I've always got time for a coffee. Bit of a tight squeeze with her. It is what it is. I want to bring her, so I have to make it happen. And it's just started raining again. Can't believe it. Sunny old Wales, eh? Aye. Didn't forecast this tonight anyway. Early hours of the morning, maybe, but yeah, not now. Yeah, this Cloudpeak 2, I do like the fact that you can vent the top half of this. So yeah, and you can do that on both doors, so you can get a good circulation should you need to. Yeah, I do like my coffee. It's no secret. Yeah. There is a camper at the top there, which is where I was thinking of going. Didn't see anybody, any sign of life by there, or no tent was open. It was, but it's definitely up there. So I've come over this way, and there's trees in. Well, I'll show you. There's all these trees here in front of us that's separating us. So I can't see them, they can't see me. Or can they? Yeah, for tea tonight, nothing spectacular. Got these teriyaki noodles. They are something else. These are lovely. I had these up on the mountain a few camps ago, and yeah, some mini cheddars, and I got some tea cakes. Kids don't know yet, so yeah, see their faces in the morning. Yeah, this burner I made, um, I had a cap that I made to put over it, so I could put it out if if my food was already cooked and I still had fuel in it, I could douse the flame out. But because it was from another Coke can, it was the same diameter, so it wouldn't slot over. So I made this one last night, and it's off a tin of beans, and yeah, fits right in. So I'm hoping that when I want to put the douse the flame out, it'll smother that. So, and you can chuck it on. So try not to get you too dizzy. Stunning. It's absolutely stunning. And it's not as windy, and I ain't getting bitten. Yeah. When I was here at the quarry last time, I was way over there in all that woodland. So yeah, perhaps that was part of all being bitten and midges. There's a sheepdog here. Hey, what the hell? Good. Go. Must be after me teriyaki noodles. Bugger off. Bit creepy that, was just lying in the grass looking at me. Didn't go for her, nothing. There is a farm way beyond over there, so perhaps he's part of that. I don't share teriyaki noodles. Do one. Yeah, let's hope I don't stumble down there when I want to be in the dark. This rock face. You see the steam as well, and that's only been a few minutes. Fair play to it. It is awesome. And just like camping in the morning when you leave no trace, same goes for food. Leave no trace. Fair dues. That teriyaki is a nice flavour. Yeah, I did enjoy that. Got a change as well. No, I haven't. It's the same colour as my tent. Yeah, I am seeing the odd midge. Well, quite a few actually, but I'm still in short sleeves. They're not landing on me. Could this jungle formula be true? Yeah, I'll give a good shout out to Out and About in Scotland, Michelle and Spike. Love your comments on my channel, and it's good. Keep them coming. Awesome, thank you very much. That little black dog's been by here. He's gone now, but I could just see a pair of ears sticking up above the grass. Yeah, I'm starting to be as one now with this tent. No, I do like it. Takes some used to getting with her. She's not quite fitting in it, but I've moved my bed up now, so she's got plenty of room. Yeah. This is the view from inside my tent. Yeah, obviously some of my camps now are going to be visited twice because the price of fuel lately, it's keeping me grounded closer to home. Whereas I would love to go up, well, Scotland, Peak District, the lakes. So, but yeah, it's stupid prices at the moment. Everybody's, well, you all know. So, yeah, as soon as the fuel starts coming down, if then yeah, then I can venture further afield then, and make a weekend of it as well, probably. Yeah, it's 10 to 9 now, and it still says on my app, weather app, it's supposed to be sunny. And it ain't. It's starting to rain slightly. Temperature's dropped. It's supposed to be about 15 degrees, but yeah, as you can hear, the wind's picking up. So, alright guys, in the tent now. It's I guess 25 to 11, 20 to 11, something like that now. So yeah, I'm gonna watch a few stuff on my phone and then get my head down. So I'll see you all in the morning. Morning guys. Not gonna lie, that was an amazing sleep. It was toasty warm in here as well. I'm on a bit of a slope though, so I'm sort of shunted towards the door. Bella's not minding though, she's got loads of room there. Yeah, but this tent is stood up to everything. Rained last night as well. I can see all the drops of rain on the tent outside. Yeah. Let me know in the comments how you air your tent. Do you just put it over the shower curtain? Do you hang it on the line? Or do you pitch it again in the garden and just let it dry? Because my wife goes mad when I put it on the shower. Right, I'm going to get up and have my coffee. Oh, I need a toilet. No, number one, no number two. Yeah, the midges are out in force this morning. They're wanting their breakfast. Plenty of bug spray on. Got my candle lit at the door. But they still seem to be coming in here. Everywhere we go, she's on guard first thing in the morning. Checking the perimeters, fine. She's awesome. Alright guys, that's me done now. Bit of dry grass there where my tent's been. The odd squash flower, I do apologise. As we say all the time, LNT. Got the menace, she's all soaking wet. The grass is just dripping here. Look at it. This is demented. This is why I bring her. She absolutely loves it. Bit of a wet one last night, I'm not going to lie, but earplugs block it all out, so I only knew it was raining when I woke up this morning and I can see the pools of water on top of the hood of the tent. But as long as I'm dry, that's the main thing. So I want to thank you all for joining me on this one. Been amazing. And this is Alan. Yeah, Alan. Taft's Destination. And I'm signing off. Take care, everybody.